Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening FX File Explorer and granting storage permission so the app can access files. This is necessary for any action. Once done, scan the home view to find internal storage, SD card, and any cloud accounts you added. Those are your starting locations. Make sure to enable dual pane in settings. It speeds up moving files because you can view source and destination simultaneously, so you waste less time switching screens. Once you locate files, long press one to enter selection mode and then tap others to multi-select. This lets you act on many files at once. Use the toolbar icons to move or copy between panes, compress to, zip, or extract archives. These actions preserve folder structure and save space. Also, use tags, mark favorites, and the sort options to group files logically, because a consistent organization system reduces search time. For final steps, add cloud accounts under accounts so you can sync or stream files without downloading everything. This saves device space. You can also use the built-in text editor for quick edits or connect to network shares with FTP and SMB to transfer large folders directly. If something goes wrong, such as missing files or failed transfers, check app permissions first, then restart the app, and finally clear its cache. These simple fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.